So here we are back at my camper today, and today we're going to be changing out this valve right here. This is the gray water tank valve right here. It doesn't do anything to hold back the water. So I've already did the dump on here, so now I want to do the task of not replacing it. I want to rebuild it. So I have the kit here. See, it's the Bladex one, and this right here is the, if you can see that or not, is the Valterra and Bladex. So I have the correct rebuild kit. So this should be cheaper and easier. I think I paid $6 for this one right here. It's the 1.5 inch. I'm going to be doing the black tank too as well today. I'm not looking forward to that, but today we're doing this tank. So the first thing will be to remove these. I believe these should all be 8mm, and just double checking here, and feels like it is. So I'm going to remove those first for bolts and nuts. Went and picked up a 3/8 because that 8mm wasn't working for the actual nuts, only for the bolts. All right, although it's hard to believe I dumped this, given how much water came out. I hate to see what happens when I go to the dark water tank. But here's the one I'm going to be using again. But what I need to change are the 2 seals in here. As you can see right there. Here's the one that just fell off. So I'm going to be replacing that one. And I'm going to be replacing the one on this side as well. All right. I'll go down into the kit. Get out the new ones. And now I can just go over here with the new one. Stick the new one on. One side. This is the other side. I see what people mean by it's difficult to keep it on there, so people use grease as a way to hold it on there, and that's what it looks like I'm going to need to do in order to make this stay in place while I put the valve back in. All right, so I'm gonna take it and put it back in. Take a look, I'll make sure it's seated properly in there. Get a couple of these bolts and nuts ready. I'll bring this one over here slowly, keeping an eye on it visually. They're nice and long, which I like. All right, so that's how you change out the seal for the Valterra Bladex style 1.5 inch gray tank dump valve. If you like, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, because I have other YouTube videos out there for working on my camper and RV that may assist you, or you just may enjoy watching. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and thanks for joining.